Coolest car accessories and gadgets available on Amazon 2024. What if I told you that your car experience could be elevated to a whole new level with some of the coolest accessories and gadgets available on Amazon in 2024? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through innovation and convenience, where even the simplest drive becomes an adventure. From cutting-edge technology to ingenious tools, these accessories are designed to enhance every aspect of your driving experience. Kinchrome Carbon Creeper. Picture yourself underneath your car, attempting to perform maintenance or repairs. Traditionally, this task has been a discomforting endeavor, involving awkward contortions and strained muscles. Enter the Kinchrome Carbon Creeper, a game-changer in the realm of automotive tools. This ingeniously designed creeper is not merely a piece of equipment. It's a symphony of comfort and functionality. Crafted from cutting-edge materials, the Carbon Creeper boasts a lightweight yet durable construction that ensures longevity and ease of use. Fogo Tire Plus. Maintaining optimal tire pressure is not just a matter of convenience. It's a critical aspect of vehicle safety and performance. Enter the Fogo Tire Plus, a cutting-edge tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, that redefines the way you approach tire maintenance. Gone are the days of manual pressure checks and guesswork. The Fogo Tire Plus harnesses the power of smart technology to keep you informed in real time. Equipped with advanced sensors, this innovative gadget continuously monitors tire pressure and temperature, providing accurate readings directly to your smartphone via a user-friendly mobile app. Look at Rear Vision System. Navigating in reverse has long been a nerve-wracking experience, fraught with the uncertainty of blind spots and potential obstacles. The Look at Rear Vision System is here to banish those worries once and for all. This revolutionary gadget transforms your car's rear view into a panoramic vista, thanks to its high-definition cameras and state-of-the-art imaging technology. With Look At, blind spots become a thing of the past as you enjoy a comprehensive view of your surroundings, ensuring safe and confident maneuvering in any situation. Astra Mini Lift. Tired of struggling with cumbersome jacks and lifts when it comes to vehicle maintenance? Enter the Astra Mini Lift, a compact yet powerful solution to elevate your automotive experience. This ingenious gadget combines portability with robust lifting capabilities, allowing you to effortlessly raise your car with ease. Whether you're changing tires, inspecting the undercarriage, or performing routine maintenance, the Astra Mini Lift simplifies the process, saving you time and energy. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport and store, ensuring that you always have the means to lift your vehicle whenever needed. RackShack. Flat tires are an unfortunate reality of car ownership, but dealing with them doesn't have to be a hassle, thanks to the RackShack Portable Air Jack. This innovative gadget takes the pain out of tire changes, allowing you to lift your vehicle with ease and precision. Unlike traditional jacks that require manual pumping or hydraulic systems, the RackShack utilizes compressed air to effortlessly raise your car in seconds. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it easy to carry in your trunk, ensuring that you're always prepared for unexpected roadside emergencies. Mad Ramps ATV and UTV. For off-road enthusiasts, transporting ATVs and UTVs can be a logistical challenge, but with Mad Ramps it's a breeze. This innovative loading system eliminates the need for cumbersome trailers or ramps, allowing you to easily load and unload your off-road vehicles directly on your truck bed. With its patented design, Mad Ramps securely attach to your truck stitch receiver, providing a sturdy platform for safe and efficient loading. Whether you're heading to the trails or embarking on an outdoor adventure, Mad Ramps streamline the process, saving you time and hassle. TrekSafe LED Flares. When it comes to roadside emergencies, visibility is key to ensuring safety for yourself and other motorists. That's where TrekSafe LED flares come in handy. These portable safety lights provide bright, attention-grabbing illumination, alerting passing drivers to your presence on the road. Unlike traditional flares that pose fire hazards and produce harmful fumes, TrekSafe LED flares are safe, reusable, and eco-friendly. With multiple lighting modes and a long battery life, they offer versatility and reliability in any situation. Whether you're changing a tire, signaling for help, or directing traffic, TrekSafe LED flares help keep you and your vehicle visible and safe on the roadside. Ijazsu Car Tissue Holder. Spills and messes are an inevitable part of car travel, but with the Ijazsu Car Tissue Holder, cleaning up is a breeze. This convenient accessory keeps tissues within arm's reach, ensuring quick and easy access whenever you need them. Whether you're dealing with spills, allergies, or unexpected messes, the Ijyasu car tissue holder has you covered. Its sleek and compact design fits seamlessly into your car's interior, saving space and reducing clutter. Plus, its durable construction ensures that your tissues stay clean and protected, even on bumpy rides. Say goodbye to rummaging through your glove box or center console, and hello to hassle-free tissue access with the Ijyasu car tissue holder. Line Light 2-Post. Illuminate your garage or workspace with the Line Light 2-Post, a versatile lighting solution designed for automotive enthusiasts. This innovative LED light fixture mounts directly to your garage door opener rails, providing bright and even illumination across your workspace. Whether you're working on your car, woodworking projects, or tinkering with gadgets, the Line Light 2-Post ensures optimal visibility and safety. With its energy-efficient LED bulbs and durable construction, it offers long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Say goodbye to dimly lit garages and hello to bright, well-lit workspaces with the Line Light 2-Post. Dent-Goli Car Door Panel. Protect your car's door panels from dings, dents, and scratches with the Dent-Goli Car Door Panel. This innovative accessory provides an extra layer of defense against accidental bumps and impacts, preserving your vehicle's pristine appearance. Made from high-quality materials, the Dent-Goli is durable, flexible, and easy to install, ensuring hassle-free protection for your car doors. Its sleek and discreet design blends seamlessly with your car's interior, providing peace of mind without sacrificing aesthetics. Whether you're loading groceries, transporting luggage, or parking in tight spaces, the Dent-Goli keeps your door panels safe from damage, so you can enjoy your ride with confidence. Jesper Speed. Maximize your driving performance and fuel efficiency with Jesper Speed, a cutting-edge OBD-I performance tuner. This innovative gadget plugs directly into your car's OBD-I port, allowing you to access real-time data and customize your vehicle's performance parameters. With Jesper Speed, you can fine-tune your engine settings, optimize fuel efficiency, and unleash the full potential of your car's powertrain. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly controls make it easy to adjust settings on the fly, giving you complete control over your driving experience. Whether you're a performance enthusiast or simply looking to improve your car's efficiency, Jesper Speed offers unparalleled versatility and customization options, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable ride. Trione Tablet Headrest Mount. Entertain passengers on long drives or keep your kids occupied during road trips with the Trione Tablet Headrest Mount. This versatile mount securely attaches to the headrest of your car seat, providing a stable and adjustable platform for your tablet or smartphone. Whether you're streaming movies, playing games, or catching up on work, the Trione Tablet Headrest Mount keeps your device within easy reach and at the perfect viewing angle. Its universal compatibility ensures that it works with a wide range of devices, while its sturdy construction provides peace of mind during bumpy rides. Say goodbye to backseat boredom and hello to endless entertainment possibilities with the Trione Tablet Headrest Mount. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.